bese sicela nasekuqaleni. Baba Zwide. Prof.
Program directors, Your Majesty the King, Ryan, Your Excellency, President of South Africa and Deputy Presidents, all royalty present, kingships from other countries, Your Grace and His Entourage, Prime Minister of the Zulu Kingdom, Premier of KwaZulu-Natal, Justice Madondo and the legal fraternity, the diplomatic corps, Izinduna, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, amabandla onke. On this very special day to the Zulu nation, to its relatives, affiliates, and friends, we would like to briefly refer to the origins of the children of Nguni, who was the son of Ntu. Ntu is believed to have sprung out of a reed through the powers of Umvelngangi, Badabuga Osangi. Umvelngangi, the one who came to be, the first to exist, the one who is an infinite beginning, and the same who has an infinite end. Usonini Nanini. Zulus are part of the Nguni people who moved from Kemet or Ejuba, the northern tip of Africa. They followed the river Nile and settled in Egypt more than 2,000 years ago. Their culture and that of the Egyptians had some osmotic relationship evident from their language and philosophies. They were very careful not to reveal their historic wisdom to foreigners. Hence, to this day, Zulus don't share secrets of the nation with strangers or unstable characters, even within families and clans. Greek writings, which are ascribed to Hermes Trismegistus of ancient Egypt, postulate as follows regarding what the ancient Egyptians called Mat, what the Abenguni called Ubuntu. Quote, the divine mind, Ubuntu, is wholly of like nature with eternity. It is motionless in itself, but though stable, is yet self-moving. It is holy and incorruptible and everlasting. There is a school of thought which espouses that amaZulu descend directly from the patriarch Zulu, who was son of Nguni king in the Congo Basin. Their research further suggests that amaZulu migrated southward, interfacing with the sun. They exchanged some cultural practices and incorporated certain linguistic formations like Greek sounds, If this is true, then amaZulu must have had a tremendous flair and genius for language development, since their click, Q or Q alone combines with so many consonants and forms new unrelated words from the same tree. CREAT becomes